Daocheng Yading Airport is the highest civilian airport in the world. This airport, located in the Sichuan Province of China, commenced its operation in September 2013. This airport is a big boon for the passengers and shippers traveling or operating between Daocheng and Sichuan Provincial capital Chengdu. The 2-day travel by bus has been replaced by a mere 65 minutes of flight. Thinner the air, longer the runway to produce the required lift. This airport has a single runway for a length of 4,200 meters, which is located at 4,411 meters above the sea level. Everest, the world's highest peak, has a height of 8,848 meters, and this airport is about half that height. During landing and takeoff, flight captains are required to wear oxygen masks.